Most people don't realize this. Your 20s can either make you rich or keep you broke for life. The problem is, no one teaches you how to handle money at this age. In this video, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make with money in their 20s and how you can avoid them. Welcome to Capital Mindset. Warning: mistake number 1, not saving money. Most people think, I'll start saving later. But later never comes. If you don't build the habit now, you'll always struggle. Fix. Start small. Even 10 to 20% of your income. Saving is a habit, not an amount. Warning: mistake number 2, living beyond your means. Buying things to impress people. Expensive clothes, phones, lifestyle. But your income is not matching your spending. This is a trap. Fix. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn. Always. Warning: mistake number 3, no budget. If you don't control your money will control you. Most people don't even know where their money goes. Fix. Track your income and expenses. Create a simple monthly budget. Warning: mistake number 4, depending on one income. Having only one source of income is risky. If that income stops, everything stops. Fix. Start a side hustle. Build multiple income streams. Warning: mistake number 5, ignoring investing. Many people think investing is only for rich people. That's wrong. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. Fix. Learn basic investing. Start small and stay consistent. Warning: mistake number 6, bad debt. Loans for things that don't make money. Credit card debt. Unnecessary EMIs. This keeps you stuck. Fix. Avoid bad debt. Only take debt that helps you grow. Warning: mistake number 7, not learning skills. Your income depends on your skills. No skills equals low income. Fix. Invest in yourself. Learn high-income skills like freelancing, editing, or online business. Warning: mistake number 8, following the crowd. Everyone is spending, so you spend too. Everyone is broke, so you stay broke. Fix. Think differently. Do what builds your future, not just your image. Rocket what you should do in your 20s. Save money consistently. Learn valuable skills. Start a side hustle. Invest early. Avoid useless expenses. Do this, and your future will be powerful. Fogo outro. Your 20s are not for showing off. They are for building your life. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people. This is Capital Mindset. Subscribe for more finance and success content. See you in the next video.